Hey Lloyd, this is Dallin Broomfield with Iron Chest Pest Control SEO. Wanted to thank you for stopping by our booth at Pest World. This video here is what I promised you. This is the custom website screencast that we promised that we'd get to you during Pest World. In this video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence and generate more leads, traffic, and sales through your website. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right in. The three things that we're going to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is king. You'll want to have a lot of content across your website, and there's a few reasons why. One, it's going to let Google know that you are authoritative in your field. And then two, it's going to allow you to get in all of the high quality and relevant keywords that the Google users are searching for. So looking at this specific page, we have Pest Control Hayward, which gets searched 100 times every month and has a keyword difficulty of 2. So if I wanted to get found for a keyword like this, I would make sure that this exact keyword in my content, right? So I would put it in my header, I would put it down in my content a few times, and then any picture that I had on the website, I would make sure that it's saved as one of those keywords that we are trying to target. So of course the Google algorithm cannot see these pictures, but they can see what's behind them. So doing all of this is basically a way to manipulate the algorithm, let the algorithm know that you are doing the services that the Google users are searching for. So I actually took this keyword right here, Pest Control Company in Hayward, and I plugged it into our tool, and nobody is searching for that specific keyword in Hayward, right? So it's just Pest Control Hayward. That is the keyword that they're searching for. So if you want to manipulate the algorithm, you want to make sure you're using those exact match keywords in your content. So that is my number one tip for you guys, is to make sure that you are doing that. Next up, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to Google Pest Control Hayward WI. And the first few things that you're always going to see is your paid programs, your Google guaranteed, and your PPC ads. Okay, if you're not running those, I do highly suggest running some type of paid platform through Google. The next up, this is your local map pack. So the maps is the most important place to be in, specifically because of the reviews, right? So you need to get a consistent review pattern, and you want to be responding to those reviews. Google loves to see that you're interacting with your customers. Another good way to interact with your customers is to be making weekly Google posts and posting about your products and services. But most importantly, and my tip number 2, is to create citations to the Google business profile. So citations are simply just online directories. Anywhere where your business name, phone number, or address is listed is going to create that citation for you. And the more of them you have, the more authority and rank you will have in the map pack. So this next one down here, this is your organic traffic. This is where your website would go, and I see you guys are right here. So when we're talking about Google, Google's just one big popularity contest. And so the more relevant backlinks that you have linking back to your website are basically these other websites that are raising their hand and saying, hey, this guy is trusted and authoritative and deserves to be at the top. So my tip 3 would be to get more backlinks to the website. So this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs. That is just a tool. It's not 100% correct all the time, but we can see your domain authority is a 3, your UR authority is a 17. Not a lot of trust flow right there. These should be basically about the same number to have a good trust flow with Google. You've got about 77 referring domains going back to 792 backlinks, getting found for 622 organic keywords, and you've got roughly about 141 people traveling to your website every month. So looking at some of these keywords, which you are getting this one right here, which is very good. It does have 50 on the search volume, position 3 for that. So you've got 8 people traveling to your website looking for that local keyword right there. And then you've got like common household bugs in Wisconsin. When are golfers most active? When do moles breed? Right? So all of these keywords right here are not buyer intent. They're just informational keywords. Good for the website, for traffic, but not good for conversions when people are actually looking for pest control. So that's why we really focus on these location-based keywords like Pest Control Hayward, because these types of keywords are the ones that people are looking for that pest control service in that area. Okay. So lastly here, I did want to show you an example of backlinks to the specific pages. So if I wanted to run back, or if I wanted to rank this page higher in Google, then I'd want to run backlinks to this specific page. So how I would do that is just like we did for Hawks Pest Control. So we have that back URL built out for Pest Control Rancho Cucamonga CA. We've ran 5 backlinks to that specific page, and because of that, we were able to push it up in the top 3, where they're getting 21 people to their website every month looking for that exact match keyword in that area there. So I hope this information was valuable to you. Again, the 3 things is content. You want to make sure that you're using those exact match keywords to manipulate the algorithm. 2, citations to the Google My Business listing. And then 3, high authority backlinks going to the specific URLs that you're trying to rank for. I hope this was valuable to you, and really look forward to getting some feedback from you on what you thought. Thank you.